Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. Today, it's another simple one. I'm gonna show you guys how to make my AP rub. This is what I call the go-to to everything. Essentially, I've put this on all my meats as a base tenderizer, and typically I let it sit on there for a couple of hours, even in some cases overnight. It's real easy. Granulated garlic, salt, 3 tablespoons of parsley, and it becomes this. Nothing but real simple. I repeat, salt, granulated garlic, 3 tablespoons of parsley. That is the all-purpose that I use to base everything that involves meat. So let's do it. As always, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to put your thumbs up. Let's go. Right, let's get it in the container. As always, I use my nicely used containers. Makes my life a lot easier. There you go. Real easy, real slick, real done. As I said, I put this on everything that involves seasoning meat as a tenderizer to begin with. Give it a try, give me your feedback, let me know what you think. I think this is pretty much the all-purpose for everything essentially involving meat, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. As I said, I like to keep these ones short to about 3 to 4 minutes. Hopefully I've done that with this one. Again, thank you for watching. See you soon.